In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn points using the Binance Rewards Hub, a simple and efficient way to maximize your experience on the Binance platform. Let's dive right in and explore the seamless process of earning these rewarding points. First things first, you'll want to open your Binance app and navigate to the Rewards Hub. It's a centralized location where you'll find everything you need pertaining to the reward system. Once you're in the Rewards Hub, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you can easily find the tasks you're interested in completing. This hub is your gateway to various opportunities to earn points that can later be utilized to unlock exciting rewards. Now it's time to check out the tasks available to you. Here you'll find various activities such as trading, referring new users, or completing quizzes. These tasks are the key to earning points, so make sure you examine each one closely to determine which aligns best with your interest and capabilities. Trading tasks might be appealing if you're already actively trading on the platform, while referring tasks can be perfect for those who have friends interested in joining Binance. The quizzes are a fun and engaging way to earn points while also testing your knowledge of the platform. Once you've chosen a task, tap on the Do Task button to proceed. This will guide you through the necessary actions required to complete the task. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully, as each task may have specific requirements or conditions that need to be fulfilled to earn points. It's a great idea to double check any rules or terms mentioned to ensure you fully understand what's expected. After completing the task, your points won't be added instantly. Instead, they are credited after a verification process. This step ensures that all tasks are completed according to the set rules and standards. While this might take a short while, rest assured that the points will be added to your account once the verification is complete, contributing to your growing rewards balance. With the points added to your account, it's time for the fun part, redeeming them. You can choose to redeem your points for a variety of rewards, including vouchers that could offer discounts on trading fees, or even provide exclusive access to special promotions. These exclusive promos can offer unique opportunities that are not available to all Binance users, giving you an edge in your trading and investing journey. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to earning and using points on the Binance Rewards Hub. By participating in these activities, not only do you enhance your knowledge and network, but you also get rewarded for your efforts, making every interaction with Binance even more fulfilling. Thanks for watching and happy earning on Binance.